Hey, how's everyone's Thanksgiving going? I know it was a month ago at this point, but I don't really care because I have no other way to start off the video. So you're either here because A, you really like Cyberpunk, B, you really like things that glow, or 3, you're procrastinating something important, which, me too. Since the Mantis Blade video did so well, I thought the natural next step is to just go down the line. We're gonna make the next one. We're gonna make the Monowire. I thought it would be a simple, easy project to just get something out there before I can move on to the bigger things that I want to do. It took a lot longer than I thought it would and didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to. So if you just want to take a look over here, you'll see the Monowire, right? I have a picture professionally pulled up from Google. Now, you see it glows, and I'm thinking we can make something to retract the wire as well. For the glowy, I could probably just use EL wire, maybe fiber optic cable. But step 1 is just making something that looks like the game. So why don't we do that first? Now, if you've seen my Mantis Blades video, you'd know 3D modeling, that's where I get to pretend that I know what I'm doing. Now, I'm gonna be honest, modeling this thing was a fucking mess. It was a disaster. You should see the amount of shit on your screen right now and be like, what in the fuck are you doing? And I will explain it. It's not a good explanation, but it's an explanation. Now, the key here is it looks as close to the game as I can get it, and modeling it to fit this random EL wire that I found on Amazon. I didn't get it because it was good or effective or it glowed? Is that a word? Glowed? Because it glowed a lot. I got it because it was cheap and the first thing that popped into my recommended when I searched electroluminescent wire. Now, I already know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Chris, what the fuck are those little spiral things in the model? Well, I'll tell you. And that's really where the whole thing kind of fell apart. So I wanted it to retract originally. I wanted it to retract similar to, say, a measuring tape, where you would pull it out of your wrist, you would hold it in your hand, and when you let go, it would retract itself. Super simple. Now, how you would do this is with something called a torsional spring. It's like a flat, spiraling spring that gets closer and closer and closer to the middle. Hold on, I could show you. So here, you could see one of the little shitty torsional springs that I printed out right here. As you twist it, it would unravel or ravel, depending which way you twist it. Doesn't really matter. It would really want to maintain its original shape and would spring back. Now, it's really shitty, and it never worked, not once, because why? Might be a shocker to you, springs aren't fucking plastic. I don't know where I thought I could do this. I don't know who told me. I wanted to make it fully 3D printable for some reason. I thought that would be cool. I could throw it on my Discord. Hey, you can make the full thing right here, and it would be great. No, it was horrible. None of them worked. I made like fucking 20 of them, and none of each one worse than the last. They just suck. They don't work. I was really disappointed. But similar to a child who does not know when to quit, I decided to just steal a spring from this Taylor's tape measure thing that I found laying around. So I opened that bitch up and I stole the spring right from it. I just ripped it out of there. And I will save you the trouble of wondering, no, it didn't fucking work. Why? Because it's too weak. The spring was too weak. Now at this point, it's basically fucked. There was nothing I could do. I even went on Google and typed in Alibaba, and I looked for like manufacturers to make it for me. I said, hey, I need a spring with these specs, and every single fucking one denied me. Every single one. Every single goddamn Chinese spring manufacturer I could find denied it. It was because the order size was too small, and I even tried like lying and saying that it was for a prototype for a product that would be mass produced. It wouldn't. It would never be mass produced. And that I just needed one to test it out, and then I would order more in bulk, and that didn't work. Nothing worked. Nothing I did could get this rewind fucking thing to work So I abandoned it, similar to myself as a child. There was no other option. The thing doesn't retract. I know, I'm just as disappointed as you are, if not more. Well, here it is. Here's the monowire, right here in front of you. EL wire, plugged it in, routed it through the hole. Here it is. This is it. It's so fucking boring. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm really disappointed in how horrible this project has went so far. But I do think I know of a way we can make this a little bit more entertaining. Look what came. In case you can't tell what this is steel cable that I bought from Amazon. And we're gonna route this through the monowire. I guess it's not really a monowire anymore. It's kind of just a whip. But like, if I've learned anything from my Mantis Blades video, you people love lethality. Love seeing things get hurt or destroyed. So, here we go. Might as well just throw this in there. Now, we are outside in 40-degree weather to test the monowire that I have on right here under my jacket. I have a multitude of testing items here to determine the lethality of my creation. We have a tea bottle, a pure leaf tea bottle. We have a Propel bottle, grape flavored. And we have a disgusting red tomato. No one really likes tomatoes. First up is the Propel bottle. Here we go. I think I missed. What? It was working. I swear I did this once, and it worked. I did this to test it, and it worked fine. Okay, since that didn't work for some reason, I swear I tested that and it worked. This is really embarrassing. We're gonna try the disgusting little red tomato right there. I think I nicked it a little bit. Just set that right there. There's a Harley biker going down the street. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Red tomato right here. Okay, there's a little cut in it. Not a whole lot of damage there. Little wound. Oh yeah, there we go. Tomato guts everywhere. Hate tomatoes. Hate them. Disgusting. Now I'm gonna try the pure leaf tea bottle. Wow. This one I didn't try. I don't know. I didn't think this would work at all. Like, anyway, to be honest. But, like... You know, I had a really funny bit planned for this next part, but it turns out my microphone was dead. So, whoa, would you look at that? Atom Smasher in the Chrome, Night City Legend. So, then I beat him up. And then I beat up Pikachu, who I taped Atom Smasher to, so I had somewhere to stand it on. And then I ripped it and said for David. But you can't hear it because the mic was dead, so... Well, this video was a complete goddamn waste of time, and I'm really sorry about that. I truly did want this to be better. I did. I tried my best to stretch it out, at least make it a little bit entertaining. I hope I succeeded. Probably not, though. There's a lot I want to do. There's a lot I have planned, like usual. Everything will be available in my Discord. I don't think you'll want this one though. I'm gonna be honest. I'm also working on version 2 of the Mantis Blades right now, and I've been thinking about doing them on commission. So if you're interested in that, I may open an online store to do that, and you can order in a custom commission. Maybe. I haven't decided fully yet. Thank you for 2,000 views on the Mantis Blades video. Appreciate it. That is about 1,995 more people that I thought would have seen it, and they aren't bots either, so that's pretty cool. That's probably it for this one. I'm sorry that you had to sit through that. Happy holidays, and I will see you. I don't know how long the next one will take me. Probably a while, so I'll see you then.